Come grow with us. Here at Mount Sinai Educational Complex, we partner with families to develop children that are healthy, happy, and whole. For families with infants and toddlers, warm and compassionate care is offered at the Child Development Center. We also offer a fully accredited academic program for students in kindergarten through 9th grade. At Mount Sinai Junior Academy, we have well-trained, certified teachers, a new technology lab, and a research-based curriculum that emphasizes reading, math, science, and technology. At Mount Sinai Junior Academy, we care for your child's whole being by engaging the hearts, developing their minds, developing their bodies, and teaching them to love and care for their fellow men. At Mount Sinai Child Development Center and Mount Sinai Junior Academy, every child matters. We invite you to join us in this learning partnership. We invite you to come and grow with us.
Here at Mount Sinai Junior Academy and Child Development Center, we have the ability to receive your child at 6 weeks old and educate them physically, spiritually, and mentally until they finish their 10th grade. We also partner with the community enabling schools to be able to keep your child up through 12th grade as well. Our teachers are fully certified in every academic subject that is necessary for your child to be able to stay with us through the 12th grade. Now, when you walk into our school, if you have not taken a tour, you want to come and take a tour because you'd be surprised at what you see here. In our infant room, we have teachers who are definitely enjoying what they do with compassion, with care, with loving arms. They take care of your children, even up through the 3-year-old and 4-year-old class. By the way, if you haven't heard, we have the VPK program where your child can come for half day for free, completely paid for by the state of Florida. And of course, we have the traditional 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, up through 8th grade that we are currently offering. If you bring the child, we'll educate them. Now, why should you bring your child to Mount Sinai Junior Academy? Now, there are several reasons why I believe that you should send your child here, but let me talk just for a little bit about the STEM program. For those of you who are not familiar with it, it is science, technology, engineering, and math program. Now, even though every curriculum has science and has mathematics as a part of their curriculum, we also go above and beyond with that. With our robotics program, our children have taken simple Legos and they turn them into challenges so that they can take this robot that they have made and they program the robot to be able to do specific activities. Here at Mount Sinai Junior Academy, it starts with our 7th graders. Our 7th graders are able to program robots to do tasks that you would not be able to imagine that 7th graders could do. And where do they do this at? They do this in the classroom, but more importantly, they do this in our new state-of-the-art computer lab. We call it our new technology center. The children are not just learning robotics, but they're also learning all other types of mathematical programs. Now, speaking of the STEM program, we have seen our garden. Now, what's the purpose of the garden? The purpose of the garden is so that the children can learn how to live healthier. Now, why is that important? Recently, I heard that in some of the schools, they're even cutting out physical education. We don't believe that here at Mount Sinai Junior Academy. Our children are required to take physical education. As a part of the physical education program, they're also required to take a certain amount of nutrition courses. A part of that, we even have them growing their own vegetables, their own fruits, their own grains right out in our garden that they have planted themselves. You see, here at Mount Sinai, we are developing the whole child. Now, that's our STEM. Spiritually, not only are we offering the traditional Bible curriculum that is taught by the Seventh-day Adventist school system, but we also have gone above and beyond that. We are teaching our children how to have a better relationship with Christ. There are Bible study programs here that we offer. Our children are actually taken to the next level in this area to have a closer relationship with Christ. Why should you bring your child to Mount Sinai Junior Academy? If all of that is not enough, I will tell you that we have small classes, yes. We guarantee that your child will have one-on-one attention with our teachers because we believe that in this day and age where children are getting lost in the system, what they need is someone to nurture them, someone to hold them, someone to care for them, someone to not only take them physically, not only take them mentally, academically, spiritually, but somebody to make them feel special emotionally. And that's what our teachers have the ability to do. No one is perfect. But here at Mount Sinai Junior Academy, we're trying to help your child be that way. Come grow with us.
Come grow with us.
Come grow with us.
Come grow with us. Come grow with us.
Come grow with us.
Come grow with us.